Hello, my name is Joaquin Humm, and I will be graduating from Greendale High School and hopefully accepting a job at American Friction Welding. And I also earned my youth apprenticeship certification. One of the best things I've learned from this program is discipline. This program confronts you with your own maturity and forces you to grow up. It is an idea that I've appreciated so much. Many kids are just dropped into adulthood. It can be a big change that can feel overwhelming, but this program slowly builds to it, so it is not as drastic of a change, but a comfortable one. I've learned so much over the past year, from how to interview like a pro to how to operate and set up a 50-ton friction welding machine. Truthfully, I wouldn't change a thing. During the summer before my senior year, my counselor offered me a chance to look into a program called GPS Ed. They said I could learn more about manufacturing, earn a student apprenticeship certification, and make some money. I accepted the opportunity because I knew I didn't want to go back to my regular high school. Why was I interested in this program? Well, first of all, I was not on track to graduate my junior year. Not only did I actively choose not to apply myself in school, but I didn't really care about the outcome of my actions. Secondly, it seemed like a completely fresh start for me, which is what I needed to change. Over the past 8 months, I've watched myself and classmates around me grow up and find themselves. I think a lot more people in this program shared the same issues at school as me. While we all come from different places with different backgrounds and different stories, we all share a common goal: to better ourselves and get a taste of what life is really like after graduation. One of the first things I noticed about GPS Ed is how good the instructors are. You can really tell they care for their students and their futures. One of the worst parts about graduating is honestly leaving my instructors behind. I feel I've built a strong connection with them and that they have shown me tremendous support. I will always remember their passion for our success. Rocio was definitely my favorite teacher because she didn't just feel like a teacher, but a friend and a life coach. She cared about what you had to say and would always help you out. Pierre was another great mentor and coach. Everyone in the room could tell how hard he works for us, as he's very passionate about the kids, just like Rocio. From day one, they have done nothing but help and encourage us down a path of success. We learned on-the-job information and what it is like to work in a manufacturing environment. Not only that, but it was one of the first times where I felt genuinely accountable for my actions in school because they directly affected my work. I slowly started to regain my enjoyment for school as it was a very relaxing environment and the material I had learned in school could be applied on the job. Before GPS Ed, I thought college was a complete scam, but after seeing what I learned relate to a job experience, I would definitely consider furthering my education. If I go to college, I'll either enroll for maintenance or CNC program. I would like to thank my parents, as they have always had my back and been there, regardless of my actions, for showing me continued support. I would also like to thank Pierre, Rocio, and Andrea for giving me a chance at something better and supporting me fully. Lastly, I would like to thank both my mentors, Zach and Brandon, for always showing me respect and making it easy to work. To the future GPS students, if I had one piece of advice, I would say to keep your ears open. Taking critical advice can be hard because our egos are fragile at this age. Be open to the instructors, as they just want what is best for you, and they are way wiser than you. You have to be willing to change if you want to grow. I've really appreciated my time at GPS Ed, and I wouldn't change anything. Thank you.